Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x plus 1 over x plus x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2 plus x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 and this is equals to 6. Here we need to calculate the value of x and x belongs to real number. In this question we will apply substitution because look carefully left hand side we have x plus 1 over x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2 and x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3. Here if we substitute x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m. Now if we find value of this expression x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2 in terms of m, then we have x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m, and here if we take square both side and in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, and we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. Then this expression is x square plus 2 into x into 1 over x plus 1 over x whole squared, and this is equals to m square. Now this x is multiplied by 1 over x, then this x and this x is cancelled out. Then here x square plus 2 plus 1 over x square, and this is equals to m square. Now value of x square plus 1 over x square, this is equals to m square minus 2. Now if we find value of this expression x cube plus 1 over x cube in terms of m, here we have x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m. Now if we take power 3 both side and in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole power 3, this is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b. If we apply this rule, then this left hand side is x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x into 1 over x times x plus 1 over x, and this is equals to m power 3. Now here x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 plus this x and this x is cancelled out, then here 3, and here x plus 1 over x, we know that value of x plus 1 over x is m, so this expression is replaced by m and this is equals to m power 3. Then here x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times m is 3m, and this is equals to m cube. Then here value of x cube plus 1 over x cube, this is equals to m cube minus 3 times m. Now we have given expression is x plus 1 over x plus x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2 plus x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3, and this is equals to 6. Here value of x plus 1 over x is m, so this expression is replaced by m plus and value of x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2 is m square minus 2. This expression is replaced by m square minus 2 plus, and value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is 3 m power 3 minus 3 times m. So this expression is replaced by m power 3 minus 3 times m, and this is equals to 6. Here we have m cube plus m squared. Now this is m and this is minus 3 times m. This is like terms. Now this is minus 2 times m, and here minus 2, and this plus 6, if we take left hand side, then this is negative 6 and this is equals to 0. M cube plus m square minus 2 times m, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, and this is equals to 0. This is a cubic equation. Now first we will find one solution of this cubic equation. We have cubic equation is m cube plus m square minus 2 times m minus 8, minus 2 times m minus 8, and this is equals to 0. Here if we substitute m is equals to 2, then this expression 2 to the power 3 plus 2 power 2 minus 2, and m is replaced by 2 minus 8. 2 power 3 is 8 plus 4 minus 4 minus 8, which is equals to 0. It means m is equals to minus 2. M is equals to 2 is a solution of this cubic equation. So that's why m minus 2 is a factor. Now factorize this cubic. We have m power 3 plus m power 2 minus 2 times m minus 8, and this is equals to 0. M cube, this is plus m square, so this is plus m square is same as minus 2 times m square plus 3 times m square, and here minus 2 times m, minus 2 times m is minus 6 times m plus 4 times m, and here minus 8, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, these first two terms and these two terms and these two terms. Here if we take common m square, then you will get m minus 2. Here if we take common 3 times m, then you will get m minus 2. And here if we take common 4, then you will get m minus 2, and this is equals to 0. M minus 2 is a factor of this cubic equation. So if we take common m minus 2, then you will get m square plus 3 times m plus 4, and this is equals to 0. Now we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Here m minus 2 is a, and m square plus 3 times m plus 4, this is b. So m minus 2, this is equals to 0, or m square plus 3 times m plus 4, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is 2. Here we will talk about only real solutions, and we have a quadratic equation in terms of m, which is m square plus 3 times m plus 4, this is equals to 0. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation. Here value of a is 1, value of b is 3 and value of c is 4. Discriminant is b square minus 4 times ac. Value of b is 3 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and c is 4. So here 3 square is 9 minus 16, which is negative. Here d is less than 0. It means no real solutions. We have value of m is 2. M is equals to 2. And recall m is equals to x plus 1 over x. So this m is replaced by x plus 1 over x and this is equals to 2. Now here if we multiplied both sides x, where x not equals to 0, this x is multiplied by inside the bracket, then you will get x square plus 1 and this is equals to 2 times x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 2 times x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Now this quadratic equation is factorizable. So if we make factor of this quadratic by using middle term split, then x square minus 2 times x is same as minus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. Here if we take common x, then x square divided by x, then here x minus x divided by x, then we'll get minus 1. And here if we take common negative 1, negative x divided by negative 1, then you will get x, and positive 1 divided by negative 1, then you will get negative 1 and this is equals to 0. We have x minus 1 is a factor. So if we take common x minus 1, then you will get here x minus 1 and this is equals to 0. X minus 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole squared. And this is equals to 0. We know that if a squared this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. So here we can say x minus 1 this is equals to 0. So value of x is 1. So in this question our solution is x is equals to 1.